And so for a second year running, it's Lesotho and Zimbabwe who cross paths in the last four of the Cosafa Castle Cup. A place in the tournament showpiece at stake this evening. Terrific ball from Billiat. Now an opportunity to go direct. Well, you thought perhaps that a delivery might come in.
Nice distribution from Billiat.
That's Tvukamanja, and he's in good form. Has scored 8 goals in 14 matches for Ngezi Platinum. Moromaholo in towards Motibang. The angle's against him. Well.
Missing on the far side was somebody that could anticipate better. I'm not sure who was actually lacking on that far side, but didn't get in. In fact, I'm not sure if he expected that ball to come across. It rolls nicely.
And it comes in, and it could be, and that's a wonderful save from the goalkeeper to deny Amidou.
Gee, I got a move. Actually, I thought, if anything, I thought he was offside, but in the way that he cleverly bit the offside line, but that first touch doesn't quite fall for him.
But in the end, there was nothing to separate them come the 90-minute mark, and that means that we will be going through to a penalty shootout at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. It is Lesotho versus Zimbabwe from 12 yards out to try and get a spot in the cup final here to be contested on Saturday.
Bring it on, son.
It is Kalaka! And it is saved by Chigoba once again. In fact, what that means is now 4 consecutive penalty saves for Chigoba. A 29-year-old goalminder plays in his own country up against a bona fide star in Kama Billiat, and Billiat beats him.
Sure. Hit hard and low. Hard to save.
Now the responsibility falls on the shoulders of Mafa Morolo. Up against George Chigoba, who eyes him up and down, breathing in and out. A little shuffle from Moromaholo, and saved again. 5th consecutive penalty save over the course of 2 games. It's monumental, it's unprecedented. Now Zimbabwe and really get on top if they convert this one, and convert it they do. Easy as you like.
Looks like a one-way ticket.
Well, to give themselves any kind of chance, Nkoto has to score this one. And finally Chigoba is beaten. A little stutter in the run-up is what it took.
Yeah.
It's the overseas-based Alex Mudimu. So try and get their 3rd, and get it he does. Now,
Beauty.
Lesotho have to convert all of their remaining penalties.
Gladiator.
Sabanso to give his side a chance, and Chigoba is not happy with that. The penalty will have to be retaken, I believe.
Yeah, I don't think it's allowed anymore.
There's a full stutter in that run-up. Not really a stutter, I think he paused completely.
You can pause all the way as you come from a distance, but once you're in that last move, I don't think that pause is allowed anymore.
Well, I thought he should have been allowed to retake it, but he's not. It does not stand, and Chigoba, without having to make a save, ensures that Zimbabwe go through. And I'll say that because the pressure was on. He had to do something clever against Chigoba. You have to feel for Lesotho, who were so brave and set themselves up so wonderfully well to try and get something from this game against defending champions Zimbabwe, who have a chance to defend their title now after marching through to the cup final after beating Lesotho on penalties.